Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, uh, in this occasion, we are from Group SU. I'm Gugum Gumelar Rahmatillah
I
and
am
my
Lala
friend,
Mutiara.
and then Rian Ramdhani. So, in this occasion, we would like to make some presentation about the lesson plan. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get the started.
Okay. Uh, the topic is the part of house for grade 4 elementary student. Uh, Maybe for 7 years old until 8 or 9, and the duration is one meeting 25 minutes. Okay, the focus of this lesson is on vocabulary, speaking, listening, pronunciation, and writing. And next, A. Core component in indicators. In this lesson, students are expected to understand simple words and expressions related to daily life, especially about the house. They also learn how to use English vocabulary to describe parts of the house, both orally and in writing. And the indicators are: one, student can mention at least 5 parts of the house correctly. Two, they can pronounce the word properly. And three, they can use short sentences to describe each part of the house. For example, this is my bedroom. And the last, they saw active participation during songs, games, and speaking activities. And B, learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, student will be able to mention the part of the house such as bedroom, kitchen, living room, bathroom, and garden. Identify each part to picture or the teacher instruction. Use short and simple sentence to describe the house. And the last and most importantly, show enthusiasm and participation during the activity. And C. TYL principle applied. This lesson applies several teaching aids to young learner principles such as: 1. Learning through fun and interactive activity so the student enjoy the process. Number 2. Using visual aids and physical activity, for example, by showing picture or doing guessing games. Number 3. Learning by doing, where students directly say and point to the parts of the house. And 4. Repetition, to help them remember the new vocabulary. And the last, meaningful communication, focusing on understanding and using the words, not just memorizing. Okay, that's it.
And next, about learning material. So as you can see, this topic is about the part of the house. So here are the target vocabulary. The first is bedroom, the second one is living room, and third is kitchen, fourth is bathroom, and the fifth is garden. The example sentence, we can say that this is my bedroom, and then we cook in the kitchen, we catch TV, we watch TV in the living room. The bathroom is clean. And then last is there are flowers in the garden. So this is the example of the sentence or target of vocabulary. And next, E, teaching media and tools. We can use flashcard, picture of house part. Like we can borrow the flashcard to the class or show the picture and house of the part. And then poster. Can you use a poster or chart of a house? And then don't forget that we also use children's song, like the example, this is my house. And then the last is folk sheet for matching picture and words. And F, teaching method and techniques. The method that used in this topic is TPR or total physical response, and we can also use song, games, and role play. The technique is using repetition, demonstration, question and answer. And the last pair practice. Okay. Next material. Boom. Di mute, boom.
I'm sorry. And for the next is about the teaching procedures. And here we have three uh, kinds of that. So the first is free activity. It's about the 5 minutes. And the first thing, teachers greet student like good morning, good morning everyone, like that. And then student reply good morning sir or good morning miss. And then the teacher asks again, how are you today? And then introduce the topic. Like today we are going to learn about the parts of the house. And the next is play and sing the song. Like this is my house to attract attention. And the next is wild activity. Is about 15 minutes. And uh, in wild activity have the first a presentation. Presentation need 5 minutes. The first teacher saw a big picture of a house and then introduce vocabulary like this is a bedroom. Say it with me. Bedroom. And the next student repeat while doing gesture. And then continue with kitchen, living room, bedroom, and garden. And then teacher repeats pronunciation slowly and clearly. And the next is practice. Practice need 7 minutes. The first change wine, change wine, find the room. The the teachers calls out room names. Student point to the correct picture. Example, bathroom. Student point the bathroom picture. And game two is guess the room. And then teachers gives clues. Student guess the example like we cook here. And student guess what is that? Like kitchen, like that. And then uh, production. Production is about 3 minutes. Students work in pairs using flashcards. And then each pair makes simple sentence like this is garden. It's beautiful. And then a few pairs present their sentence in front of the class. And the last is post activity. It's about 5 minutes. Uh, we need to review vocabulary by showing place cartoon and then sing. Sing this is my house together. The teacher and the student. And then give a short task. The task like draw their house and label each part in English. And then teacher gives feedback and close the class. You can use good job, Good job, everyone. See you next time. Okay. And here we can see in the screen have table, and the table we can see is there is uh, on table.
Yes.
Maybe Rian can continue my explanation. Rian, the table.
I think this is about the uh, main activity. Is that right, Lala?
Yes.
Okay, here the first is about vocabulary, and the second is pronunciation, third speaking, and fourth is participation, and the last is writing. So here are the indicator that student. The first is student mention part of the house correctly. So the aspect is about vocabulary. The technique is like we say that the oral observation or the instrument we can use checklist. And the next is pronunciation. The indicator of this aspect that student pronounce word correctly. And the technique is oral test. The instrument is teacher notes. And next about speaking. This is the indicator of speaking that student make short sentences about house part. And then the next technique is about performance test, and the instrument is we can use Rubik. The fourth is participation, the indicator that student actively join songs, games, or discussion. The technique that we can use the observation, the instrument is participation, rubric. And the last one is writing. We can student be able to label their house drawing correctly. And the technique is that product and the instrument is worksheet. So I think that's enough.
Yes.
Boom, di mute.
Di mute go.
Okay. Okay. I think this presentation finished. Thank you for the watching and see you next time. Thank you from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.